Hi guys, EMPEROVIAL here, and a quick one today. I'll show you how to set up a digital business, what to do firstly, and this will really blow your mind if you're not used to it. But this is a very basic foundation you just have to note, just have to know. So we'll be talking about three apps today, and firstly, let me emphasize on this: you are going online to do a business, so people will need to also find you. And one of the things to do is that you want the right set of people to find you. You don't want people like, let's say, teenagers. They are the only ones seeing your post on social media. So when you're talking about some very serious minded stuff, you're seeing only people that are going to be laughing. So at the long run, you don't make any sales. You feel social media is just useless. Whereas all you needed to do was to connect with the right audiences that will push your business, push what you offer on, your initiative, your idea forward. So I'm going to show you how you can connect with the right audience, then how you can set up your account in a way that people will perceive you as someone of value and connect with you, and also get to do business with you. So the first place, because I made my first ink line was on social media. I made close to 300,000 naira. That was at that time. I think it was, what was the amount? Close to, I think that is more than $500, close to 600, $700. I made that in a couple of 6 months because I was just engaged on social media. And let me show you what I did. I had good social media optimization. I've made a lot of money, but I was just talking about the first time I set it up online. What I call optimization. Optimization is known as packaging. That's like for us, for the guys or the girls, these ones are the way you arrange yourself to look attracted to your prospect, people that you see that are interested in this person. So, for example, a guy puts the packages himself very well to the extent that he knows that this can attract or appeal to the girl. A girl arranges her makeups and her dressing very well, maybe the figure eight shapes and all that stuff. So, but on social media optimization, you arrange your account in a way that when you see people that are your value can connect with you and get to take you serious. You can see in the founder of Leap Africa. She's my connection on LinkedIn, and I can get to talk to her, and I get to see what she did today now. Okay, so let me take you straight to my Facebook account firstly, and we'll start from there. And I pray that I have all the time on this expatiate more. So the first thing you need to work on is your profile and your cover photo. Always go for a studio picture. Don't make a mistake of putting a poster or your pastor's face, except that's what you are promoting on social media. Even when it comes to do with your WhatsApp, I see a lot of people post their faces are not on their WhatsApp, and they say they are business people. Take your picture, post your picture on your WhatsApp, make it your WhatsApp profile. Let people see your face. Don't be scared of people seeing your face. On your cover photo, you can either post about all your brand does. Somebody goes through your picture on your cover photo, you can identify that this is what you really offer. So make no mistakes about that. So this one is your profile. Make sure it is highly optimized. It is nice. It appeals to a target audience. Like a saying says, a picture speaks 1,000 words. So don't make any mistakes. I work on this first. Then the second thing is that how you profile yourself. Now, somebody like a very brief profile of me, and I didn't use my university stuff here. You see, because I'm not okay, because it does not relate with what I'm doing. So I'm focusing. I'm showing something Udemy and Ashoka now, and I'm talking about social media manager for this rice company, for this company, this stuff, and this company. Yes, this guy is a social media guy, so you can get to do things. Look at my content. Look at how headline matters. Headline matters. Don't make a mistake with your headlines. Headline matters. So these are one of the ways I engage on my social. Make sure that my account is clearly set up, and I put profile. Take the most important details of yourself. You need to the ones that you are going to make public. You don't, if your university where you went to as a university won't help you, don't post it on social media. Just focus on what will help. If it's a Udemy course that you did that makes you certified social media manager, certified digital marketer, post it. If you did go good digital marketing stuff, post it. I wanted to change this to me and Fela Doctor, right? So that it will make me to be seen as more of a public speaker. This shows that I'm an online person. Okay, so that's how it works. So the next thing is your pattern, how you post. Now the first thing you need to do is that when you're starting out online, have a posting series, like you're going to be posting about. Follow the trends of, use trending words that will appeal to your target audience. I'll give you more hints on that. Yeah, so this is how you do it. You have to set up your account in that way. You start with your photo, your cover photo. They must be nice, they must be super engaging. And when I'm looking at the person now, you see this face, I won't accept. I will just ignore it. You see, because it doesn't show that he has not presented himself to be a serious-minded person. And this person is a film guy, so I can take maybe if he's standing here and all that stuff. Then this person is a CEO, but I will say this guy is not a social media person, but he can be my prospect because he doesn't know how to package himself online because he's using a poster as his profile. Okay, so we're gonna look at these things here. Now this is my LinkedIn account. This is how I write about yourself. Pick it like 3 niche that you focus on. Digital marketer, the first thing you use here, digital marketer. You can see I'm a public speaker first. I saw that public speaker search was trending, and social entrepreneur. Many of you know me as someone that carries out, and you get to trust me because of that. So digital business consultant, it comprises of, because people get to consult me every day, so I put that. I've been Google CX region, so I use that because these are most important details about myself, about my university degree, because it doesn't concern this stuff. And about how you write about yourself section, you see I wrote about myself. I just focus on the most important details about to what will concern my audience. Really, so and so stuff doesn't concern my account. Who searched for me, and I just created 2 posts, or 1 post on this month. I don't really post that often on LinkedIn. Ensure you are taking these things out very well. You may need to also open a blogspot account. That will be for another video. This one I'm focusing on is on social. The same way again for your Instagram. You go on your Instagram, you create an Instagram account. The hashtag you are using, the ads, whether your name and something. You can use maybe your business niche. You can put ads, fabulous fabrics or something. If you are into each, use a niche word on that niche. Like for me on Instagram, I use the Facebook ads expert. So if you are searching on Instagram to look for ads expert, my name is going to pop up. Okay, so and I go and follow everybody on that niche also. You can also be seeing what everybody they are doing. I will check digital marketers also. I will add them up. They will also see me. Then I'll go and create content and all that stuff. But you need to be consistent on social media to make sales. So I want to show you something very quick now. Is I don't know you. You have not communicated with them before. They have never told you they were interested in what you are tagging them about. Or tag like 100 persons as if you are doing a burial meeting on social media. So don't tag people. If you follow my Facebook post, I don't even tag people, except I did a picture with them and they are in the picture. That's when I tag them. And they get you more when you don't tag them on your post. People feel that when you are tagging people a lot on your post, that you want online engagement, that you are begging somebody to give you online engagement, which you may not like. So I want you to social media game in the very right way. Use optimize content intentional and push your offers, promote your offers without desperation. Okay, so I'm EMPEROVIAL again. You can see I have adopted the name EMPEROVIAL 17, and you go a lot of people know me with that name. Have these accounts. If you want to do a digital business, make sure you have this account, LinkedIn, and also Twitter. If you do this on the right set, I will get to have amazing values from people. Okay, so what I really want you to do, make sure you have a Facebook account. On your WhatsApp account, make sure that you're using your pictures as your proof. And if you don't post things on social media that will divide people, if you follow me on social media, I'm not talking about the black man that they hit on something, or I'm not talked about 1 or 2 5G and other kind of things trend, because it divides people. I feel by dividing people. Yeah, I'm in social media to promote my offers, and that's my workspace. So I talk about only things that matters to me on my workspace and things that will connect people to me. So I don't post about those stuff that arguing. There's this client I had that was even arguing with some of the Bible verses, and just have to let them be, because you can't win people over to what you believe in by argument. Okay, yeah. So quickly take actions. Have a Facebook account, a LinkedIn account, a Twitter account, and an Instagram account. Is it? Then for everyone you want to connect, you send them a DM, connect and say hi, thank you. I just went through you. I count you as somebody of value. Because I would love to connect with you to get more of your content, to see more. Kindly accept my so and so, and I would love to share more ideas on so and so niche. And you send them and just put thanks in your name, all that stuff. And when you put the hi, put hi and mention their name. Don't put hi. So feel a random message that you just sent to a lot of people if you put only hi. Alright guys, so EMPEROVIAL leaves you now. You can comment on this section, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You get more of these videos for free. YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell. I love you all. Take care.